Hello, welcome to Valona and Closty. In part 1, I showed you how to use the ring, how to thread your needle, how to split your thread, and finally how to create a knot at the end of the thread. Today what I'm going to do is show you a very simple outline stitch for you to start your embroidery. It's called running stitch, so this is how we get started. Always begin by starting on the wrong side, so the knot goes through the wrong side of the fabric, through to the right side. You can make your stitch any length that you like. As you can see here, the gap is about the same length as the actual stitching, or you can make your stitching have less of a gap. Like so, which gives the impression of a more continuous line. You can make your stitch length as long as you want, but do make sure that you check the back of the work and make sure that you're drawing your thread all the way through and that your stitching is flat against your fabric. I'm going to finish off here just to show you how to tie off. So I've got the same gap as the actual stitching itself, a very small gap here, and large stitches here with a small gap. Turn to the wrong side. To finish off, I go back to the nearest stitch, which is this one here. Take your needle carefully underneath that stitch. Gently pull it firmly so it sits flat. Go underneath the stitch again, but this time don't pull it all the way through. Leave a loop. Take your needle through the loop and gently push it towards the top of the canvas. And one more knot just to secure it underneath. Don't pull it all the way through. Take your needle through the loop. Cut 1 centimetre away. I've now secured my stitching. And if you look over here, all of these examples here have been done with running stitch. Large running stitches, large gaps in between, small running stitches, hardly any gap in between to give a continuous line. A running stitch in black, and then I've woven a different colour through the stitch to create a continuous line. And if you look over here with the tree, you can create any shape you want by using small, intricate running stitches. Thanks for watching part 2.